First one, class. Okay, you guys will do success principle number 1. Start.
It is easy.
5 times.
It is easy. It is easy. It is easy. It is easy.
Second one.
For things to change, I must change first. For things to change, I must change first. For things to change, I must change first. For things to change, I must change first.
Last time. For things to change, everybody.
For things to change, I must change first.
Parents, what you heard is called as Ultimate Secret Success Formula, U.S.S.F, which was invented by Thomas Alva Edison in 1906 that they've learned today. They'll be applying that. I'll show you how they'll be applying it. And they've said 2 success principles for things to change.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. I need you to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.